Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming at you with another work from home job lead. This one is mostly non-phone, dealing with doing tech support through email channels, and of course they are hiring worldwide, so no matter what country you are in, and they also seem to pay very well. So without wasting any time, let's just dive on in. The company Stipend Incorporated, they are headquartered out of Cary, North Carolina. They are looking for a remote technical customer advocate, and it says they're hiring anywhere in the world. Now, Stipend Incorporated is a design-driven consumer electronics design and software company. They have a flagship product line called Doxy that has award-winning document scanners for going paperless since 2008. So they have been in business for quite a while, but still considered a startup company. They are looking for a technical customer advocate to provide support for all 4 different brands of hardware and software products that they have. So it says, as a customer advocate, you'll spend the majority of your time responding to requests from current and prospective customers, mostly via email. Most interactions are a mix of troubleshooting tech issues and providing empathetic customer service that makes people feel heard. Now, it can mean that you will have to pick up the phone from time to time and make outbound calls reaching out to them if you can't solve their issue through email, but most of this is non-phone through email. You'll help customers solve problems with kindness and compassion. You'll respond to customers when they contact primarily through email, but you may have to occasionally interact with them through phone, chat, and social media. Of course, you'll troubleshoot and diagnose any technical issues they have and escalate any complex cases. You'll assist with writing and maintaining customer-facing help pages, internal documentation, and standard responses for their most common questions. And you'll also monitor and respond to product reviews on Amazon or other selling platforms. Now, they do not require any college degree. They're looking for someone, though, who loves to solve tricky technical problems, someone who is patient, empathetic, and enjoys understanding others. If someone who does not mind explaining things more than once, sometimes you have to explain things twice, someone who is curious, adaptable, and can work independently. Now, they would like someone who has at least 1 year of experience in a customer support or related field and has excellent written and verbal communication skills with strong interpersonal skills. Now, you get bonus points if you have previous experience working with ticketing software like Zendesk, but that is not required. Now, this is a full-time position, and the salary listed is $45,000 to $50,000 US per year. Of course, they offer benefits such as medical and vision, flexible spending accounts, paid time off, and it says all the hardware and tools you need to be successful. Company-owned Macs software and other necessary equipment to perform your responsibilities will be made available to you. So they literally give you all the equipment. They also offer a $500 home office stipend to furnish your home often with any other supplies that you need. And it says you can work anywhere. You can live and work from wherever you like. Their team is scattered across the world, so they do hire worldwide. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.